Here we go. The Constitution did not allow Congress to lay taxes on
Import.
exports. You're
Oh,
right.
son.
Good job. Okay. Constitution for two. This is known as the States' Rights Amendments. It's one of the Bill of Rights. Do you remember? You want to go through it?
Second.
No.
7.
The 10th
Amendment.
The 9th Amendment was that the citizens have rights that are mentioned. Okay, that's Constitution. Okay, federal versus state. The action by Thomas Jefferson contradicted strict interpretation. What?
Louisiana Purchase.
Yep, Louisiana
Louisiana
Purchase.
Purchase.
Civil War. Most of the states of the former Confederacy, in order to regain admission to the Union, were required to ratify the
Bill of Rights.
14th Amendment. You're close. 14th Amendment. Very good, though. Yeah, 14th Amendment. Colonial America. Colonial resentment to this act was seen as a violation of the right of Englishmen to be taxed only with their consent, consents which could only be granted through their colonial legislatures. What act, though?
I can't remember. What's the first letter?
Anybody?
What is it?
It's the Stamp Act. Okay, remember that was putting a stamp on all legal documents? This transportation innovation had the greatest impact on westward migration. What is it? Trains, railroads, okay? Yeah.
I'm going to post it on YouTube, and then
In
I'll
the
send
Great
you the link.
Compromise, how much did a slave count for? 3/5, exactly. That was the 3/5 compromise part of it. Changes or additions to the Constitution, what are they called? Amendments, right? It's the amendment process that we go through. Federal versus state. These two actions describe what event. Senator John Calhoun said states could ignore federal laws. President Jackson forced South Carolina to comply with the tariff. What was it called?
Civil disobedience.
It was on the PowerPoint.
Good job.
Starts with an N.
Notification?
Nullification crisis. Very good. Good, Heidi. What was that? That was this one, right? As a result of the Civil War and Reconstruction, the South would finish the 19th century and enter the 20th century as economically diverse. The Puritans founded this college?
Harvard.
Thank you. Okay, everybody will get that one right tomorrow. Okay. This congressional act settled which states will be free or slave. What was it called?
Missouri.
Somebody said it.
The Missouri Compromise.
The Missouri Compromise. Remember, one for one. One would enter as a free state, one would enter as a slave state. Okay. So 3. Slaves are property, not human. Slave owner is protected, not the slave. These are part of what Supreme Court Dred Scott versus Sanford. Right. Dred Scott versus Sanford. Okay, here we go. Whew. Oh, we have like till 10 till.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I keep thinking we get out court till. That's okay. This amendment deals with searches and seizures. Which one is that? Which? The 4th Amendment. That's right. The following describe what it meant. California became a free state, tougher fugitive slave laws, slave trade in D.C. was banned, and popular sovereignty.
Compromise of
What is it?
1850.
Compromise.
Yep, compromise of 1850. Very good. All right. Civil War and Reconstruction. Southern state governments tried to weaken President Johnson's Reconstruction Plan by passing the, what were they called? They involved the freed slaves. Do you remember what codes they were?
Oh.
Alien sedation and
Something segregation? Something
Alien
segregation.
Act was with our second president. We're up to our 17th president.
my 15th president.
The black codes.
No.
Okay. You didn't remember reading about them? Please do so.
Ready to go.
I just have to a little bit of time. Okay. Thomas Jefferson borrowed heavily from the writings of whom when he wrote the Declaration of Independence?
Thomas Jefferson. Oh, wait. Benjamin Franklin.
I thought I heard somebody say it. What did you say, Heidi?
Joy said it.
Okay, Joyce?
No.
Try.
Joy, say it.
Say it loud.
John Locke.
John Locke. Okay, good. You got the answer right. That's good. Nobody else knew it. Okay, Kendall. This president ignored the Supreme Court decision that Georgia had no
Jackson.
jurisdiction over Cherokee reservations and sent the Cherokees to Oklahoma.
Andrew Jackson.
Yep. King Andrew, right? This idea prevents the president from getting too powerful.
Checks and balances.
Balances, very good.
What does that mean?
What does what mean? Potpourri?
Oh, that's what it says?
Yeah.
I got it.
Okay, here we go. We're on 500s, right? Okay, Constitution for 5. This resolved the issue of representation in the legislature. Well, Senate and the House are in Congress. Guys, I talked about this. a
1 in
lot.
every 30,000.
I said it kept the Constitutional Convention from breaking up.
Oh,
The Great Compromise. Also known as which state did it come out of? Connecticut. Virginia was the Virginia Plan and the New Jersey Plan. Big states, small states come together, Connecticut Compromise. Okay, or the Great Compromise. Okay, federal versus state for 5. This bill indicated that slavery should not be allowed in Western territories acquired from the Mexican War. It was the top of the very last slide I did when I did the PowerPoint. Does that help?
No. No.
It starts with a W.
War.
Starts with a W.
this is the second one.
Wilmot Proviso.
Oh,
I give credit to, Wilmot.
yeah.
Wilmot Proviso. Here we go. This racist organization terrorized.
I love that everyone knows that.
This was the British policy in which Britain left the American colonists alone. Anybody?
What's the first letter?
Click it.
Anybody?
I'm not ready.
Patterns printing out in front. Salutary neglect. Did
Never
everyone
heard of
fill that out on their sheet yet? This Supreme Court decision stated that separate but equal facilities are legal.
Something
First have to
segregation.
do with trains, train cars.
Oh,
Starts with a P.
Presley versus Ferguson.
Yeah, let's see. First
oh, is that on your phone? Good job, Sean.
Leslie versus Ferguson.
Did I do colonial America for 5?
Probably. Click it anyway.
Yeah, I did.
Yeah,
Okay.
you did.
Okay. There were no taxation powers. There were no provisions to regulate commerce and trade. There was no separation of powers. Caused these to be rewritten in 1787. Yep. There you go.
Nice. Is this it?
That's it?
Articles of Confederation.